Welcome back to the channel. So we are out picking up some pine tree logs from the tornado that hit Memorial Weekend. We're going to be using these to mill up to make build a storage shed and to build a tiny home. So these are being given to us, so we are out here loading them up. Husband's on the tractor. We already took 3 of them to the house, offloaded them. Back here for another load. We're about to load up our second one, and then we will make a 3rd trip because there is 2 more that we do believe we can get that are the right size that we can get with our tractor. So we are gonna get this one loaded up. That's number 2. we got the third one out. We're gonna get it centered up with the hooks and then go take it over and put it in the trailer. Okay, that's log number 3. That's all we're gonna get on this load. We're gonna go offload and then we'll be back to get the other 2 logs. So we're back at the house with our second load of 3 logs. They are 14-inch round in diameter and they're about 12 feet long. Make some great milling. Here's the 3 we got with the first load. Like an average size tree. They're 12, 14 inches, 15 inches in diameter. And they're all about 12 feet long. We found that our tractor, the longer they are at 12 inches in diameter, man, it pushes it. So I think to get the longer boards that we're gonna need to mill, like we're gonna need 15-foot boards. We're gonna have to go with 12-inch in diameter and no bigger. But we'll get those. Anyway, we're back at the house. We're fueling up on the tractor, and then we're gonna offload these 3 that are on the trailer now. We'll load the tractor back on the trailer, and we'll go back down 3 miles away, offload the tractor, load up 3 more logs, and then I'll follow my husband back to the house. He drives the tractor and I pull the trailer with the logs. Teamwork, because we are resourceful, baby. We got our last 3 logs loaded up that our little tractor could handle. It ended up being 1 pine log and 2 cedars. And we are headed back home now to offload these and then take a break and get us some lunch. So there's our first 6 that we've already offloaded. Those are pine logs. We're gonna stage up 1 more pine log just to the right over here. And then the 2 cedars, we're gonna line up right here in front of these 2 trees. Those 2 trees will hold them so they don't roll. Here's our final 3 logs, 2 cedars and a pine. That cedar right there is humongous. It's about 16 inches in diameter, or 16 inches across. This one's about 12, but it gets a little bigger at the other end. So there's our last 3 logs. We're gonna take a short water break and then we'll get to offloading those.